Alright, here's a little demonstration. This thing actually pans 170 degrees both ways is what I have discovered. I thought it was 170, which would be half each direction, but that's not the case. This thing goes 170 each way, so 340 degree rotation, but due to cabling and whatnot, I'm probably going to limit this thing to not 340 anyway. But anyway, here's the controller. I've got an extension for the controller, goes in, adds 20 feet to that. The power cord for this thing is a good 10 feet long, so that's going to run from the inverter, easily reach up to the unit, I believe. And this is basically the mounting plate. There's a lot of more work to be done, and the dome will go on top. But here's a little demonstration. I'm going to pan to the right. We'll pan to the right. I'm not going to go all the way because this serves its purpose. And we need to pan over to the left. We can pan over to the left. And I'm going to stop right there. And also we've got the tilt angle. As you can see, the tilt angle of the camera is changing. We're going up. We can go up 15 degrees, I believe it is. I could also change the camera to where it would actually pan up 60 degrees just based on the camera angle. If you go all the way down, obviously you're going to be looking down at the top of the vehicle and front of the vehicle and so on and so forth. So the camera may be adjusted somewhat so that when I'm in the all the way down position, I'm actually looking straight down the road, and that will enable me to take this thing 60 degrees up. If I want to go up and look at a particular feature on a storm, I'll be able to go at a pretty high angle with this if I set it up correctly. So there's your pan and tilt, and of course everything that you see will be right there on the computer screen. You pan it back around, and this is going to be basically our 170 mark right along in here. It's going to be due north, and it's got variable speed control too, so I can change the speed of the camera. Right now it's on about 80% of its possible speed. So I'm looking forward to getting this thing finished up. There's still a lot of work to be done on it, but this is a basic setup.